Hi, good morning, boys. Today is Friday. Today we're going to be working on our IEP goals. Today is our third week, so we're going to be working on page 28. Let's go ahead and go down. We're going to go over patterns. Now let's go ahead and read the instructions. Draw what comes next in the box at the end of each row. So we have a circle, square, circle, square. So what do we have next here, boys? A circle. Let's look at the next column. We have a rectangle, rectangle, oval, oval, rectangle, rectangle. So what is next? Oval, oval. Good job. Let's look at the next pattern. Circle, circle, square, circle, circle. So tell me what do you have to put in this box? Then we have an octagon, a circle, a square, octagon, circle, and tell me what we have to put on this box, boys. Remember, we are going over patterns. When you're done, please have your parents upload a picture to Teams. Have a great weekend.